Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to I Know Gadgets, the channel that keeps you on the cutting edge of the latest technology. Today, we're delving into the world of photography, presenting the 4 best cameras for beginners in 2024. As always, find the links to these fantastic cameras in the description and the first comment. Without further ado, let's capture the magic. Starting our list at number 4 is the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera. Let's explore why this camera deserves a spot in your photography journey. A 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor for stunning clarity. Built-in Wi-Fi and NFC technology for seamless connectivity. A reliable 9-point AF system and AI Servo AF for sharp focus. An optical viewfinder with approximately 95% viewing coverage. Compatibility with the EOS Utility Webcam Beta software for high-quality webcam use. An impressive ISO range from 100 to 6400, expandable to 12,800. Dive into the Canon EOS Rebel T7 experience. Exclusive insights and comprehensive reviews await you in the description. Claiming the third spot is the Canon EOS R100, a mirrorless camera with an affordable price tag. Let's uncover what makes it a great choice for beginners. Compact and lightweight design for excellent mobility. A 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor and DIGI-C8 processor for high image quality. Dual-pixel CMOS AF covering a wide area for precise focusing. Continuous capture of up to 6.5 shots per second for action-packed moments. Immerse yourself in the Canon EOS R100 experience. Exclusive insights and detailed reviews are waiting for you in the description. Securing the second position is the Sony Alpha A6100 mirrorless camera. Let's explore why this camera is a game-changer for beginners. World's fastest AF at 0.02 seconds with real-time AF and object tracking. Wide 425 phase/425 contrast detection AF points for extensive coverage. A powerful 24.2 MP APS-C exmor sensor with ISO up to 51,200. Up to 11 continuous shooting with AF/AE tracking for capturing fast-paced action. Real-time AF tracking and IAF for humans and animals. Immerse yourself in the Sony Alpha A6100 experience. Exclusive insights and comprehensive reviews are available in the description. Clinching the top spot is the Fujifilm X100V digital camera. Let's unravel the magic behind this exceptional camera. A newly designed 23mm 2 lens for exceptional image quality. 26.1 MP X-Trend CMOS 4 sensor and X processor 4 combination for powerful performance. An advanced hybrid viewfinder offering OVF and 3.69 M.OLED EVF options. A 2-way tilting LCD touchscreen for intuitive controls. 4K video recording at 30 frames per second for stunning visuals. Immerse yourself in the Fujifilm X100V experience. Exclusive insights and detailed reviews are available in the description. And there you have it, fellow tech enthusiasts. The 4 best cameras for beginners in 2024. Check out the links in the description to step into the world of photography. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to I Know Gadgets for more tech revelations. Until next time, may your shots be perfectly framed, your memories beautifully captured, and your tech adventures endlessly exciting.